Hello everyone. I hope that everyone are fine and staying at home. I am Lokesh, studying CSE in Vishnu Institute of Technology. In this video, I and my friends would explain about gradient descent and stochastic gradient descent. Now, let's discuss about gradient descent. What is gradient descent? Gradient descent is an optimization algorithm used to minimize some function by iteratively moving in the direction of steepest descent as defined by the negative of the gradient. In machine learning, we use gradient descent to upgrade the parameters of our model. Why is gradient descent used? Gradient descent is used to minimize a cost function g of w parameterized by a model parameter w. The gradient or derivative tells us the incline or slope of the cost function. Hence, to minimize the cost function, we move in the direction opposite to the gradient. The algorithm for gradient descent is: first, take the derivation for loss function, and step 2 is to pick random values for slope and intercept, and step 3, pick some learning rate, step 4, calculate the step size, and finally calculate the new parameters, new intercept and slope until you get minimum error. Let's see an example to solve a problem for gradient descent. Step 1. Let's start from a random point x equal to -3. Then find the gradient of the function dy by dx equal to 2x into x plus 5. And next, we have to move in the negative direction of the gradient. For that, we define your learning rate, and the learning rate is 0.01, and we have to perform 2 iterations of gradient descent. And for that, the initial parameters are x naught equal to -3, dy by dx equal to 2 into x plus 5, learning rate 0.01, and the first iteration is x1 equal to x naught minus learning rate into dy by dx. We have to perform the same process until we reach the global minimum value. Until now, we have discussed about gradient descent. Now, let's discuss about stochastic gradient descent.
Stochastic gradient descent is often abbreviated as SGD. Stochastic gradient descent is an iterative method for optimizing an objective function with suitable smoothness properties. Example, differentiable or subdifferentiable. It can be regarded as a stochastic approximation of gradient descent optimization since it replaces the actual gradient, especially in high dimensional optimization problems. This reduces the computational burden, achieving faster iteration rate for a lower convergence rate. Why is stochastic gradient descent used? In both gradient descent and stochastic gradient descent, we update a set of parameters in an iterative manner to minimize an error function. On the other hand, using stochastic gradient descent will be faster because you can use only one training sample and it starts implementing itself right away from the first sample. Stochastic gradient descent is a very popular and common algorithm used in various machine learning algorithms. Most importantly, forms the basis of neural networks. Algorithm for stochastic gradient descent. Step 1. Find the slope of the objective function with respect to each other. Step 2. In other words, find the slope of the objective function with respect to each parameter or feature. In other words, compute the gradient of the function. Step 3. Update the gradient function by plugging in the parameter values. Step 4. Calculate the step size for each feature as step size equal to gradient into learning rate. Step 5. Calculate the new parameters as new parameters equal to Old parameters minus step size. Step 6. Repeat steps 3 to 5 until gradient is at most 0.
If we have 10,000 data points and 10 features, the sum of squared residuals consists of as many terms as there are data points. So 10,000 terms in our case. We need to compute the derivative of this function with respect to each of the features. So in effect, we will be doing 10,000 into 10 equal to 1 lakh computations per iteration. It is common to take 1000 iterations. In effect, we have 1 lakh into 1000 equal to 1 billion computations to complete the algorithm. This is pretty much an overhead, and hence gradient descent is slow on huge data. Stochastic gradient descent comes to our rescue. Stochastic in plain terms means random. Now let us see some differences of gradient descent and stochastic gradient descent.
Differences of gradient descent and stochastic gradient descent. Stochastic gradient descent randomly picks one data point from the whole dataset at each iteration to reduce the computations enormously. Generally, stochastic gradient descent is preferred for being faster as it is optimizing parameters on the training example at a time till it converges. On the other hand, gradient descent, called batch gradient descent, optimizes parameters on whole training set every iteration till convergence. This makes batch gradient descent slow but deterministic. To put in very simple terms, gradient descent work to find minima of a cost function. Stochastic gradient descent, updating one example at a time, taking one example, looking the slope and trying to move downwards.
I hope this video was helpful in getting the hang of the algorithm, gradient descent and stochastic gradient descent. I hope that everyone understood the concept of gradient descent and stochastic gradient descent. Thanks for watching the video.